Hello to you, my fashion lovers. You are welcome back to Nail Vibes, the channel, as you always know, that gives you nothing but the very best in nails fashion. So in case you are seeing this channel for the first time, or you are yet to subscribe to this channel, please do subscribe, and as you do that, kindly turn on your bell notification so that as soon as any video is dropped in this channel, you will be the first to be notified. So watching this video, you see that these nails look so good and so gorgeous. This is a perfect collection of lemon acrylic nail designs for you, my gorgeous friends. Watch to the end and choose your best light to make on your nails, okay? And as you watch, kindly support my channel by hitting the like button. Like the video, and also feel free to share it to your friends and your loved ones, and you can also save it for a later use. And at the end of the video, please do not forget to go down to the comment section and tell me what you think or what you feel about my video or my channel in general. And in case this is not really what you want, you can go down into my channel to see other videos that I have on other nail types, okay? Thank you as you do that. I also appreciate my returning viewers who are always watching my videos and engaging. I tell you, your effort in this channel is never taken for granted. Thank you so much, and I will be looking forward to seeing you again in my next video. Bye for now.